Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft ice candy for business. First, let's talk about the basics. You'll need key ingredients such as water, sugar, milk, and your preferred flavorings like fruit purees or extracts. Make sure you have a large pot for mixing, a good stirring utensil, and plenty of ice candy bags, typically 1.5 by 10 inches for packaging. Using quality ingredients is crucial for a delicious product that will keep customers coming back. Now let's get to the mixing. Start by boiling water with sugar and a pinch of salt until everything is fully dissolved. Then slowly add your cornstarch and milk mixture, stirring constantly to avoid any lumps. Continue stirring for approximately 8 minutes until it reaches a smooth, custard-like consistency. After cooking, let the base cool completely for a few hours before you divide it and mix in your chosen flavors, like mango or chocolate. Once your flavored mixture is ready, it's time for packaging. Use a funnel to carefully pour the liquid into your ice candy bags, filling each one consistently. Make sure to tie a tight knot at the top of each bag, removing as much air as possible to prevent ice crystals. Lay the filled bags flat on a tray in your freezer. Allow them to freeze for a minimum of 8 hours, or ideally overnight, to achieve that perfect, firm texture. Finally, let's talk about selling your delicious ice candy. Research local market prices to set a competitive price point that covers your ingredient costs and labor, aiming for a good profit margin. Promote your business by showcasing your unique flavors on social media, participating in local events, or offering special deals like buy one, get one free. And speaking of fresh, if your car needs a little pick-me-up, check out the link in the description for a great deal on car air fresheners, plus other fantastic offers. Remember, a strong brand and excellent customer service will help your business thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.